a quick reminder how to open your file. First, we're going to go to photopea.com, where we have been for parts 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to go to File and Open. And I'm trying to remember where I stored mine, but I had encouraged everyone to put theirs in the Google Drive. All right, so we have 2 layers. We're going to duplicate the last one. So go to Layer, Duplicate Layer. You don't see it yet, do you? You have to move it aside. And now I'm going to rotate it and fit it in there. So Edit, Transform, Rotate. Not the 90 degrees, but just plain old rotate. Swing it around. And line that vertex up in there. Now, if it does not fit in perfectly, you will need to resize it. It looks like mine is pretty bang on. Wow. The first one I did, I had to resize it to fit a little better. So what I'm going to do is make it so that it doesn't. So I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, Distort, which is what you would have to do if yours doesn't fit perfectly. So if got to go not with the little rotate, but with a little arrow. So out, rotate, on the square is distort. And like if it didn't fit in perfectly, you can kind of modify it so it does. Like you might have to go and pull the outer angle out more to fit in, but not with a little curved arrow, but right on there with and you can kind of move it around and try to fit it in there perfectly. But mine fit in pretty perfectly. If it didn't, that's how you fix it. You just kind of go to Edit, Transform, Distort, move it in there. And if you like totally get out of control, you just go to Edit, Step Backwards. All right. If you can always edit step backwards more than once. And if you're like, whoop, that was too many steps, you can always go step forward back to where you were. Now we're going to merge all 3 of these layers together. So I'm going to control click. So hang on a second, I'm recording a video. If you could just give me 1 minute. Okay. I got it directly in the center. All right. So hang on 1 second, I'm just making a video. So I'm going to go to layer. Layer. And I'm not sure why I'm not seeing what I need to see. I'm going to control click the 3. I'm going to merge and go to merge layers. So I got that by right mouse clicking with 2 fingers and then the merge layers. Do not include the background. Okay, and that was it. So